Ever looked at an insect and thought, wow, that's ingenious? Nature's tiny engineers have been silently shaping our world for millennia, and some of their incredible designs have directly inspired our most advanced technology. From the battlefield to the factory floor, the humble insect has proven to be a masterclass in form and function. Think about the incredible strength and agility of a beetle's exoskeleton. It's this very resilience that has influenced the design of protective armor, making it lighter yet stronger. Or consider the precise, multi-jointed movements of a praying mantis's limbs, replicated in robotic arms used for delicate surgical procedures and complex manufacturing tasks. These aren't just random resemblances, they're direct adaptations of biological marvels. So next time you see a bug scuttling by, remember it might just be the blueprint for our future. The intricate workings of an ant colony, the aerodynamic efficiency of a dragonfly's wings, these natural wonders continue to be a wellspring of innovation, proving that sometimes the greatest technological leaps come from the smallest of creatures.